This speech leads us to start from the impacts of artificial intelligence on works, and then it explored possible impacts on human natures. So, for the opening questions, will artificial intelligence change the natures of human beings? To these questions, the speaker actually give us the answers. She believes that it would depend on how we use it, and this will involve not only the technologies, it will also reflect on our human natures, our history, and also our future. So after listening to the way human societies take care of newborn babies 6 million years ago, I think the success of our human evolutions is based on our cooperation. Without the help of others, without our grandmother, our father, our brother, our sisters, or our friends to take care of children, human may have been eliminated long ago. I think this example is a good reminder for us that taking care of child is not only the responsibilities of each family, it is a responsibilities of whole human societies. In the past, taking care of child is not only the work of their mothers, it is also the responsibilities of whole groups. But nowadays, which the change in society structures, many mothers, they can no longer get the same support as in the past. Now they are isolated and stressed. And in addition, the speakers use the hunting and gathering societies as an example. She said that there will be natural care patterns and ways of interactions in early human communities. This lifestyle gives their babies an opportunity to connect with different people who take care of them, so that they could learn how to build relationship with different people. And this is a interpersonal experience that cannot be achieved by technologies. So even if many machines now they can imitate our human reactions, yes, but they cannot really understand emotions, and they cannot have really have care and love. So I think this TED Talk, it's a kind of warning about the threat of artificial intelligence, and it is also a reminder. I think for the technological development, it is nothing wrong. It's even necessary. But we cannot ignore the fact that we are still a human. If children in the future are raised by emotional-less machines, which is artificial intelligence or some others, I think the children are likely to have no way to learn how to care, how to considerate, how to understand others, and they may not even be able to develop complex interpersonal connections and empathies, something like that. And I think we need to design technologies that can assist us, that can help us, but not to replace our interpersonal interactions. We need society systems so that every child can grow up in love and understanding. Whether our societies will still have humanities in the future is not only a question of technological development. I think it's more on our educations, how we take care of them and value choice.